So this is just your standard shade cloth you can actually get from your hardware store, Home Depot, whatever you want to call it. Pretty standard stuff really, but that's what I'm using for the main filter for this vermicompost. Look, I'm not going to do things right. I'm going to make mistakes, but it's better I make them than you make them. So if you have better ideas, feel free to comment on that. But I'll keep using this in the meantime because this is what I got. Now one thing with these IBC tanks, one you want to get if you're considering doing this is probably look, make sure it's a food based container that's held food as opposed to chemicals. But one problem I've run into, oh, token cat, that's Jojo, the barn cat. She keeps the rats and mice down around this area. But basically, the problem I've found is it leaves an oily residue, which my cloth tape doesn't want to stick to. So options. Basically. Be very gentle about how I put the stones in, I guess. We won't use tape, but I can unfortunately have to probably get in there to get that around the filter first. So yeah. at 10 bags of the 20 kilos, so hopefully that'll be enough. We'll find out. bag in. Now to level it off a bit. Alright, that's looking a bit level now. Just remember, if you want to know why I've done something one way, not the other, feel free to comment. You know, not everyone's perfect and everyone has a million ways of doing the same thing. So, but I think that's pretty level. Just got to remember, all our matter's going to fall down in the middle. So we're going to need to, I'll put another screen over the top of this, and then we'll get some organic matter happening. We got all the stone in. You're kind of aiming for that first strap across the base there with your stone. Now, full disclosure, those 10 bags didn't quite cut it, so I actually ended up getting some blue metal from my driveway and use that just to sort of top it off. It was really close, but I ended up using, I'd say, another 2 bags actually, was what I measured it out to. So you'd probably need 12 20 kilo bags of blue metal. So once you've got that, now I'm just going to do a layer of shade cloth just across the top of it, just to add that extra bit of filtration. I know the stone's doing it already, but I'll just do one thing of that. So we'll get that done, and then we can start putting in organic matter to get the compost actually going, and then I'll cover it in black plastic and everything. So let's get it done. Done. Basically we can start with loading it full of organic matter. So I might head down the back field. I'll take you down with me, and we can start loading it full. We can get some old straw and stuff that I've got down there that's been rotting away, hopefully still there, and some cow pats and stuff like that, which would be good stuff. And we want to at least try to fill it up quarter full, say about there would be nice. I don't know if I'm going to get there with the stuff that I've got at the moment. If not, I'll just get some more hay or something like that and chuck it in there, and yeah, see how we go. I've got some cardboard and stuff that needs to get rid of. And then we can wet it all down, make sure it all filtrates through and pops out there.